In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the currency on Agoda, a useful skill if you're planning to travel internationally and need to view prices in your local currency or the currency of your destination. Let's dive right into it. First things first, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head over to the Agoda official website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid any disruptions during this process. Once the site is fully loaded, you will be able to explore over 2 million hotels, complete with free cancellation options and booking deals, all perfectly organized for your convenience. Now before you proceed further, make sure you're signed into your Agoda account. If you're not logged in, navigate to the sign in page and choose the sign in with Google option. This is a simple and secure way to access your account, provided you've previously connected your Agoda account with your Google credentials. This step ensures all changes you make are saved to your Agoda profile, allowing for seamless access across devices. After signing in, head back to the Agoda homepage. You can do this by simply navigating to the logo or the homepage link, which should be prominently visible. This brings you to the landing page where you can start your hotel and travel booking adventures. Now let's focus on changing the currency. Look for the currency symbol displayed on the site, which is typically located at the top right hand corner of the page. In this example, you'll see a currency symbol like the P symbol. Go ahead and click on that symbol. This action should open a drop-down menu or a new interface where multiple currency options are available. Next, you'll want to find and click on the price display option. This might be found under settings or a customization section on the same drop-down menu. Clicking this option will enable you to alter the way prices are displayed, ensuring all your searches and listings reflect the currency that you're most comfortable dealing with. And there you have it, you've successfully changed your currency setting on Agoda. This simple adjustment can significantly enhance your booking experience, allowing clearer budget planning and helping you avoid any confusion or exchange rate surprises. This process is straightforward yet vital, especially for frequent travelers looking to maximize their booking experience with Agoda. Whether you're planning an exotic getaway or a simple weekend trip, having prices displayed in your preferred currency will certainly aid in smoother booking. So feel free to revisit this guide whenever necessary. Thanks for watching and happy travels.